Hi everyone. Welcome to Look What I Made for You. We have lifestyle, gardening, and cooking this channel is going to be about. I am going to show you bird watching and so many other things. So I'm hoping that we can really help you to get along and survive healthy during the global pandemic. Subscribe if you like. Plant of the day. Cascara sagrada. Rhamnus persiana. All right, guys. One of the main reasons why I plant flowers is for the bees. The bees pollinate all of our gardens, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's called a liatris plant. But I love to just plant flowers, and then that feeds the bees, and the bees then go on and pollinate the garden. So there's lots of butterflies and everything like that. So that's a hobby that I like. If you enjoy learning about gardening and gardening hacks, then subscribe to our channel and hopefully I can, I don't know, make you happy during the pandemic and help you out. That's it. XOXO.